Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a Kindle from Amazon, which I want to have a look at. Um, Actually, it's meant to read ebooks and be gentle to your eyes, and I just want to have a look. I don't know what to expect. It's really on the light side, surprisingly. I got the blue grayish version here, and let's see what else. Okay, there's just a bunch of junk in here. But all in all, so far, good impression. Like most of the time with the Amazon products, they are made quite well. Oh my god, what am I doing? Just throw that back in there. Whatever. Um, yeah, and so this is the Kindle. Pretty smooth background, pretty minimalistic. As you see, there's already some stuff on the screen. Um, Looks pretty decent. Um, And if you turn that on, just switch it over. I am really amazed how the whole technique works. Um, this is what you can expect from color-wise, brightness. It feels really steady, really vibrant, the black on the background. I like the texture as well. And yeah, as I said, it's super light. I can balance that easily. I'm not gonna walk in here because I don't want to share my information, obviously. But we can select German and see what it happens. How, okay, so it's booting up now, and if it's not wanting us to sign in, it's fine. Otherwise, I will call it a day. We'll see what happens. Maybe it is already connected to my account. I mean, obviously, could be an option since I bought it on my account, right? We'll see. But yeah, um, it's really flat too. As far as I know, you can store like almost all your books on there, even on offline and stuff. So that's exciting as well. And okay, let's see what's happening and when it's gone loading. I'm excited. Um, Even though I have to admit I really like normal books as well. I like the feeling of a book in my hand and the smell and all that. That's something that you're gonna miss out on here. But still, it's gonna work. Okay, now it wants us to sign in, so it's not like happening. But you can see how the letters and all look, so we get an idea. This is what books will look like when we're on here. So I will call this a day, and I will see you in the next video. And I would say Badger and out.